Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to change control center in iOS 18 beta. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to change your control center, as you can see here, I have changed my control center now. As you can see, these are the new features on my control center. So guys, how can you get a new control center? I'll help you how can you get this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings here, and guys, now you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad. And after this, you need to go back. So guys, now when I am going to click on control center, then guys, you can see there's no option to add or remove apps from control center, because you can edit your control center from here easily. So guys, the way to get this control center is you have to click on general, and guys, you need to click on software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is iOS 18.0. So guys, how can you install iOS 18 on your iPhone? Simply you have to click on beta updates, and guys, you have to turn on beta updates to iOS 18 developer beta. And guys, after installing this beta version, then guys, your control center will be changed automatically on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.